Understanding lame duck in English. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting term that you might have heard in politics or business. Lame duck. Don't worry if you're scratching your head. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in a sentence. So, what is a lame duck? This phrase actually has nothing to do with birds. In English, we often use animal names to describe certain traits or situations, and lame duck is one of these idiomatic expressions. Originally, it referred to a broker who defaulted on his debts in 18th century London Stock Exchange jargon. Today, it describes an official or administration that has little power or influence because their term is about to end, or they have been defeated in an election but are still in office until their successor takes over. Understanding where an idiom comes from can often help us remember it better. The term lame duck dates back to the 18th century and was used in the London Stock Exchange to describe an investor who couldn't cover their debts. The idea is that just like a duck that is unable to keep up with its flock due to an injury, a lame broker falls behind financially. This concept was later applied to politics, where it perfectly depicted an outgoing official's diminished ability to complete significant actions. Let's look at how lame duck can be used in everyday language and in various contexts. After losing the November election, the current president is considered a lame duck until the inauguration in January. The CEO announced his retirement 2 months ago, so he's somewhat of a lame duck now, with employees already looking to his successor for direction. The term can also be used in a business context, like when a manager has given their notice and is waiting for the replacement to arrive. Interestingly, lame duck can also be a period or session. For example, in the United States, the lame duck period is the time between the election and the inauguration of the new president. During this time, the power of the current office holder can be very limited. Thank you for watching. We hope this explanation of lame duck has clarified its meaning and how you can use it in both political and business conversations. Remember, idioms like these add color and depth to our language, and understanding them is a key step in becoming fluent. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit our videos whenever you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.